Who's excited? Exciting times are ahead for Nvidia's earnings coming up Wednesday, and we are here to dive into the latest updates from groundbreaking AI advancements to pivotal partnerships shaping the future of computing. Nvidia is once again proving why it dominates the tech landscape. So, like, subscribe, and let's talk Nvidia. At the Supercomputer Conference 2024 currently taking place in Atlanta, Nvidia delivered a 44-minute keynote address. If you have time, it's worth watching. While there wasn't any groundbreaking news to move the stock price, Nvidia management did share some notable insights. For instance, they emphasized that Blackwell GPUs are now in full production. Reading between the lines, it seems that overheating concerns are being handled effectively. This aligns with recent clarifications from NVIDIA and other sources. The conference also highlighted NVIDIA's collaboration with server makers such as Supermicro and Dell Technologies. These companies continue to develop AI server solutions around NVIDIA products like the NVL72 and GB200 systems, the one previously rumored to have overheating issues. It's promising to see major OEMs stepping up with solutions that reinforce NVIDIA's dominant position in the AI server market. Much of the conference focused on NVIDIA's software's ecosystem, which is a core strength. They announced numerous new libraries and microservices designed to accelerate workloads across various industries. For instance, one notable release was QPY Numeric, a replacement for NumPy. With minimal code changes, developers can now leverage NVIDIA's accelerated computing capabilities, transforming their Python project without extensive rewrites. These kinds of innovations underscore the versatility of NVIDIA's offering across fields like climate forecasting, physics simulations, and even chemical research, such as EV batteries and solar panel developments. NVIDIA also unveiled updates to their H200 and H200 NVL GPUs, which cater to enterprise systems with lower power requirements. These PCIe GPUs are specifically designed for air-cooled server racks that dominate the enterprise market. Approximately 70% of enterprise racks fall into this category, making this a strategic move to maintain NVIDIA's grip on the segment. While it may not result in massive sales spikes, it's a crucial step for steady, sustainable growth in the enterprise market. Another intriguing update was NVIDIA's expanded partnership with Google Quantum AI. They are leveraging NVIDIA's CUDA-Q platform to accelerate the developments of next-gen quantum computing devices. Using approximately 1,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, Google has managed to drastically reduce the computational cost of quantum simulation. This collaboration is a testament to how NVIDIA's AI solutions are enabling groundbreaking advancements in quantum computing. Additionally, Foxconn announced plans to expand Blackwell production with new facilities in the US, Mexico, and Taiwan. Not only is Foxconn manufacturing NVIDIA's hardware, but they're also using NVIDIA Omniverse, Isaac Sim, and Metropolis platforms to streamline their processes. These tools follow Foxconn to optimize facility layouts and test robotic system virtuality, leading to significant cost saving and improve efficiency. For instance, their Mexico facility is expected to reduce kilowatt hour usage by over 30% annually. Production at the Mexico facility is set to begin early next year, with Taiwan operations starting in December, marking another milestone in NVIDIA's growth trajectory. Shifting gears slightly, NVIDIA has launched a new Twitter or X account called NVIDIA AI PC. This channel appears to be a strategic push into the AI PC market, signaling potential new developments in this space. While details are scarce, it hints at upcoming innovations, possibly including consumer-focused Blackwell GPUs or something even more exciting. I recommend following this account to stay updated on Nvidia's latest move in AI-powered personal computing. Lastly, CoreWeave, a prominent cloud service provider, announced that they are ramping up operations with NVIDIA's GB200 and NV72 clusters. These announcements came shortly after overheating rumors surfaced, providing reassurance that the issue may have been resolved. CoreWeave is also purchasing Hopper GPUs, L40s, and L4 GPUs, which demonstrates ongoing demand for NVIDIA's current lineup, even as Blackwell enters the market. So, in summary, NVIDIA's updates from the conference reaffirmed that leadership in AI and computing, the sheer breadth of their innovations from software libraries to enterprise GPUs and quantum computing partnerships underscores the growth potential. Long-term investors should feel confident that we're still in the early stages of these companies' journey. I'll be doing an Nvidia's earnings preview episode tomorrow. So, if you found this helpful, educational, just hit a like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next video, stay safe.